Ooh, ooh. Happy hour.
Stormy, Tiger Jumps. Tiger Jumps, Tiger what? Tiger Jumps.
Good morning, people. I don't even know why I got so much energy after 2 in the morning. But this is going to be a good one. This is going to be exciting. Let me show you. Want to see the bike pack, and only a bike pack. That means we're traveling and we're going far. On this episode, from Barbados to the world, we're going from Barbados to England. Bikepacking. You know always move a backpack with 2 boxers, 2 pair of shoes, a pants, a shirt, a couple of vests. So whatever in the backpack, we got any backpack. But when we land in England, we can see what's going on. We ain't got no plans, we know what's gonna happen. But stay tuned. This is your boy Mr. Jax. Are we ready? Alright, so you come off of the plane and the first thing you have to do is get a ticket. You can use a contactless card to get on the train, but you have to buy a ticket from here which will carry you down to where you're going. It's time to get a train station down to London. To get around England, like most places, England is becoming contactless, which means you can use your card, your contactless card, or your wallet on your phone to tap in and out of the train station to catch your bus. But what I would recommend is when you land to buy an Oyster card, it's convenient. I did say to tap in and out. You know, I'm going to explain why when they do it. But the Oyster card is the way to go. Explaining the tap in, tap out. As you just saw me tapping. The difference between here and so many other places is that it's no set fare. So this is especially for the Oyster card, but it was especially for your credit card or your tap card if you're using your actual personal bank card. Is that you have to tap out at the station when you're leaving, and that determines the fare they're going to charge you for that distance. It's happy hour all day, every day. Every day, all day. Where am I here? All day, every day. Happy hour all day. You guys may wonder why I'm drinking so much as soon as I land. This trip I started on the most difficult note. I've actually lost my GoPro and all of my accessories on the airplane. I'm trying to get it back. I've not been successful so far. So I decided the best thing to do is just a drink. You know, what else can I do but drink? So it's happy hour and we just want to get happy, yeah? Hopefully I find back the GoPro though. No matter where in the world you are, always find time for Starbucks. Just be joking and lying when they say it, that every time I travel, the rain is soak and bathe me. So I tell myself I can calm myself and get some fish and chips. So you're about a spot, I can walk and get some. Come outside, get outside cool and got my idea ready. And rain start to pour. No, it may not be my team and it may not be the Burner Bow, but big up the Spurs fans. So I was told you can't be in this part of England and not come and get fish. Good morning from England. So welcome back today. We're actually in Camden today. It's a bit wet outside. The rain has been falling since last night. But they decided, you know, if you're in England, that's the weather. You have to get out and still enjoy yourself. So we're gonna take a look around today, see what is on offer, check out the food market, see what is up, and I'm gonna keep you posted. What I see, you see. What I eat, you eat. So this is some of the best custard in Camden, so we're gonna give it a try.
Classic is also obviously good.
I've never drank custard before. We've got in some strawberries, passion fruit, coconut, cinnamon, apple. And if I try it, I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. So here it goes. I don't know what to expect, but it's pretty good. It's different, but I like it. This is the food market. As you can see, everyone is in their little pods eating some food. There's one difference about being in Camden today, and that is finally I'm able to meet up with some friends and actually have some people to show me around, show me what's good. So today, I don't know what is that. There's some Junkyard Golf Club today. Let's see how it goes. Today is Junkyard Golfing. Pablo Escobar style.
Call me Tiger Jumps. Tiger Jumps, Tiger what? Tiger Jumps. No.
We're going. I'm not even in golf, so don't worry, people. I can party and enjoy myself because right now out front. But I can't even see what I see. Right now, watch this. Now most people will take this route to try to win. But saying that I am as good as I know I am, I'm gonna go the hardest way. Just stay tuned.
Nope. That's 5.
I ain't ever leaving. Something a little different tonight. She's on ski. And that is where we came from. It doesn't work, but you understand where you're coming. Oh, we're coming on up. Look at this view. Ooh, we ski. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Forgive me for that. I'm not. Ski. She's so you ski. I don't know where we're going or what is coming up. I'm stepping it to the light. They should never ever do this. They know about me. They know that I was an all-star back in my day. I was playing for Barbados. They know I was a Bajan legend. I still ain't sure who will be doing up to now. But I see like I do a football, and you know Jux see. You know Jux fan, Mr. Roy. You know how he do this thing, one of the best I ever touch a pitch anywhere in the world. I so Ross. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. It's so. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas is in the air. Good morning from England. And just like that, the weather has changed in less than 10 minutes. Today, I'm an all-star.
I've never bowled before in my life. As anything else I do in life, I'm a natural. So just sit back and be amazed. The key is a breathing technique. That's the color.
Greatness is what you just witnessed. It's too easy. I feel like after such a champions display, after putting on such a performance in bowling, it's only fair for a champions meal and treat myself to something fancy, huh? What's for dinner? What is for dinner? What is for dinner tonight? A champion's meal for a champion. Ooh! Ooh! Wanna go smell that? Smell what you smell. Smell with me. I know when to smell that. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You can see me? I think you can see me. Today's adventure has brought us back to Camden Market. You know, as you saw, we were here a few days ago, but I saw the food and I felt like we missed out on not trying the food in Camden Market. So today's adventure, we're gonna have a little food journey today. Stay tuned. All of that as one hot dog there. Alright, so the first stop is something called Funky Chase, and I could tell by the line that they probably gotta be good, you know what I mean? They only got a line on left side good, so let me see how it goes. Barbados. Yeah. You ever been?
What's your brother? I'm from Uganda anyway.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Easy, I can come soon. You got it crispy onions, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, see that we need for the vlog. We outside today, man. We outside. Yes. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Ooh. 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 Like, this won't take number 6. But let me go. As you can see, we're still going. There's so many different options, so many different foods from all over the world. You could get lost here morning, evening to night, a full day. sure every city smile, you know that means that they happy. That means eat all the food. It was Camden Market today, people. You want to see from pancakes, the burgers, the tacos, I can't remember what else we had, but I want to see everything. It was nice, it was fun, it was vibes. Yeah, boys, anytime you're in England, you can get to Camden Market. You got to come and do a little food tour. You boy, Mr. Juts.
Yeah, we out here, Camden Market, place to be.
You gotta show the Barbados.
You gotta show this Barbados as well. That's the place to go.
Today's mission, we still haven't found the GoPro, and I'm still looking. So today I'm back at Gatwick, and I'm finally getting some information. I'm going to check lost property and hope for the best. Still no luck. We just left lost property. They haven't received it. I went Skybreak, which this was the plane that it came in on. They said they haven't received it, but it could take up to a month to 2 months. So what can I do? You know, we're still going to try to enjoy the journey. We're still going to try to document everything and still show you and still have some fun. You know, these things happen. Let's just hope for the best. I feel like wanna know there's no way I would have left London. Furthermore, look into my eyes. Wanna know there's no way I would have ever left London and not go to Nando's. I'm here. Nando's, 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 Nando's. Nando's. Where am I today? I'm at Nando's. Look at that. New on the menu, the loaded fries and Nando's. Where am I? This is the face of a man that is at Nando's. Come on, I can leave now. Thanks. It's currently 7 in the morning. I knew you could see sleep in my eyes, but hear that same in my voice, because what about to come next is going to be big. So England, it was a pleasure. We had some fun. We enjoyed ourselves. But the next step of the journey with my backpack is coming up. Stay tuned. From Barbados to the world with your boy, Mr. Juts.